Dear student, video number 3, necessary condition for the convergence of series. If the series summation an converges, then limit n tends to infinity an is 0. If series is converges, then its limit as n tends to infinity n is 0. But converse is not true. That is, converse may not be true. May not be true means if this happen, then this series may or may not be convergence. For example, summation an is equal to summation 1 upon n, an 1 upon n, and limit n tends to 0 an. An means 1 upon n is 0. But summation an is summation 1 upon n is not a convergence. Means if this happen, then it may be or may be convergence. Okay, that is this happen. If limit n tends to 0 or infinity, an is 0. This limit an. Then but summation an means summation 1 upon n is not a convergence. Now, most important thing is if limit n tends to infinity an not equal to 0, then series an cannot be convergent. If this happen not equal to 0, then series must be divergent or not convergent. Okay, if limit n tends to infinity n not equal to 0, then series must be divergent, means not convergent. For example, summation n upon n plus 1, this series n is equal to n upon n plus 1, and limit n tends to infinity n upon n plus 1. We take the limit and n take outside, then 1 upon 1 plus 1 by n. N cancel, here n cancel, and n tends to infinity this 0, 1 upon 1 is 1, which is not equal to 0. Then we say that this series not a convergent. Okay, if not equal to 0, then not a convergent, means divergent. Okay, now next is under root of 1 by 4 plus under root of 2 by 6 dot plus under root of n upon 2 into n plus 1. N term is un n upon 2n plus 1. If you take the limit n tends to un or an, we get a, this is under root, we get a 1 upon under root of 2. N cancel, 1 upon under root 2 not equal to 0. Therefore, summation un is not convergent. Okay. Now next, summation of 1 upon n 1 raised to n, un 1 upon n 1 raised to n. This is 1 raised to n. We have to take the limit, then we take this type. If we calculate the limit, then we take the log of this type. Log of un 1 upon n is outside, log 1 upon n, this 1 upon n, log 1 minus log n, which is log un is equal to, okay, log un is equal to minus log n upon n. Log 1 is 0, log 1 is 0, minus log n upon n. If we take the limit n tends to log un upon n, we get a log n upon n, which is as n tends to infinity upon infinity types, and which is we take the L'Hospital rule. Therefore, limit n tends to infinity 1 upon n, log n, derivative of log n 1 upon n, and derivative of n is 1. The 1 upon n, we take the limit is 0. It implies that limit n tends to log un is 0. It implies, what it implies? What it implies? This implies that log n tends to infinity un is 1. Log un, we know that log a is equal to 0. It implies a is equal to 1. Therefore, log un is 1. Means limit n un is equal to 1, and which is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not convergent. Okay, student. If limit n tends to n not equal to 0, it implies that this series is not a convergent. Okay, you have any question, then comments and likes and share.